Good morning, friends. This is the daily morning podcast. Today it is 10th of July. I am Devarsh from HDFC Securities. US stocks closed mostly lower yesterday, but off the lows of the day as investors sought safety in technology related investments amid rising cases of coronavirus in states like Arizona and Florida. Investors are piling on to large cap technology names, believing that they will be the clear winners in the aftermath of the viral pandemic. Speaking of tech names, Indian technology behemoth TCS reported below expected numbers in the first quarter, dented by lockdown led supply and demand challenges. Consolidated net profit was down 12.9%, impacted by lower other income. Revenue declined by 4% due to COVID-19 pandemic and its impact on all segments barring BFSI. TCS management believes that the effect of pandemic has bottomed out and it should start now tracing its path to growth. Reliance Industries and energy major BP announced the start of their new Indian fuel and mobility joint venture, Reliance BP Mobility. After initial agreements in 2019, BP paid $1 billion for 49% stake in the joint venture, with RIL holding the remaining 51%. This JV will operate under the GeoBP brand. Flipkart would pick 27% stake in Arvind Youth Brands for Rs 260 crore. Coronavirus pandemic-induced national lockdown is expected to squeeze automotive aftermarket spending by 11% this fiscal, according to a report. JLR retail sales for 3-month period were significantly impacted by COVID with unprecedented market conditions. Praj Industry announced its foray into global renewable chemicals and materials market yesterday. Markets, Indian equity benchmark indices recovered Wednesday's losses and ended the weekly F&O expiry session with gains. Today, markets may open mildly lower following negative Asian and US market cues. Technically, the further upside is likely if the immediate resistance of 10,897 is crossed. Short-term support for the Nifty has now shifted to 10,733. If that level is broken, more weakness could emerge. That is all for the day. For disclaimers, do visit our website www.hdfcsec.com. Thank you for listening in. Have a profitable day ahead.